This is a rebuild video for the Grundfos scala2. Not any kind of technician. I don't offer any specific advice. This is just how I'm doing it. I'm just a guy that has pump leaking. Obviously, I've got it sitting up on its back right now. I had just water leaking out the bottom here, a couple little drips. There's little tabs. You can pry this top off first, a fill top. There's little tabs. Here you could stick a screwdriver in, little retaining clips all the way around on each side, two on each side. So I kind of popped that. Of course, I had to drain the pump, but unscrew this. And I found that right on the top there's a little pinhole leak here. Just tiny little spray for no reason at all. It's been in service for a year. So you can see I already removed the screws. So there's just screws around the pump here. There's one with a washer here. They're all the same. This little wired connection, I just pulled this tab up and out. And I pulled this sensor plug straight out the bottom, and then I was able to lift this piece up and out. And the rebuild kit that I have, I could either send the pump in, which it's pretty heavy, I have to ship it like to Delaware or something, so I was able to get the kit instead from them for free. On the back, looks like there's a little tank, so I just, a little force unscrewed it. It's got normal threads. In the rebuild kit, they give you this part, which is the whole top assembly, and 3 gaskets. The one gasket is the big O-ring around here. They give you this O-ring, which looks like it is up inside that little ballast, whatever you call that thing. And then they give you a third O-ring, which has a little lip on it. And that is, so this was kind of a trick. I wasn't sure how to get this assembly out. So this is the old one. And I wasn't sure how to get that thing out of there. But I just pulled firmly and eventually popped right out. It only goes one way to match, so I don't have to worry about that putting it back in. Looks like there's a seal here. So that other O-ring goes right in here. I've placed this on already, so I'm going to put on the new one. This O-ring goes on the new one here. I think that's it. So I'm just going to put it back together in reverse and hope that helps. I don't have torque specs for these. I'm just going to, gently firm them up all the way around. I'm also going to put some, you can see inside the pump here. Anyway, I'm just going to put some sealant. I've got some pool gasket waterproof sealant. So I'll throw that on. Oh, one more thing. They give you this little tiny metal bar. Don't know what that is, but it sits right in the bottom. So I'll replace that with the new one. Goes in the bottom here. And put it back together. So looks pretty straightforward and easy. Again, the piece in the middle, it took a fair amount of force to yank it straight up out of there, and this unscrewed pretty easily. That's about it. So good luck.